Welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 5, Part 3. Let's look at the picture. So in this part we're going to do the mixes for the two objects. So if we look on the left hand side, we've got the blue cylindrical object. It's more like a turquoise blue. Now there's two reflected lights on this object. We're not going to do those today. We're just going to focus on actually painting the shape and trying to get to make it look as three-dimensional as possible. Of course, on the right side we've got the yellow trigonal object. That's a bit more simpler. We look at the black and white. You can see the reflected light on the right hand side of the cylindrical object a lot more easier when you turn it into black and white. It's actually quite strong. It's only a little bit lighter, but again, I'm not going to do that today, but it's always be mindful of it and be mindful of how light the other aspects of it are. Okay, let's go to the hues. Raw umber, burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cobalt turquoise light, Winsor yellow, and titanium white. And now I'm going to show you how to do the two mixes for the two objects. Okay, let's go through them. So, raw umber, burnt umber, ultramarine blue. This one is cobalt turquoise light. We can say cobalt teal is another one that's used. It's the same thing. Winsor yellow and titanium white. Okay, now first one here, we're going to mix for the turquoise cylindrical object here. Now that is definitely very, very bright. So we use this as a base. If you look at the picture, it's definitely not that strong, but I don't think it really matters for this one. I'm just going to use this one as the base now. So I'll put this one here. So say this is the local colour. Now here we're going to do the shade away area. Now it's blue, so we'd add black to knock it back, or dark grey. So what we'll do is we'll take, I'm going to do raw umber this time. Raw umber, ultramarine blue. I don't want burnt umber. Burnt umber is too orangey. Let's mix some of that in there. Let's just put that black over there, it's in the way. A bit darker than that. Let's have a look. Even darker than that. I'm going to use the whole lot. Let's have a look. Actually not bad. Actually that bit. But there's another darker bit right next to it, right at the very end. It's darker than this one, so, well, that's pretty powerful. So increase that. It's not too much. That one, local colour, well. I mean a little bit of grey just to tone it back, knock it back a little bit. It's a bit too powerful. A bit of titanium white, of course. But I don't want to, it's only the first layer, so it doesn't really matter so much. So look, it's about right. and we'll do a highlight. Let's clean the palette knife. We'll do one highlight, a little bit of grey just to knock it back a bit. Okay. Now we do the yellow triangular object, so let's maybe the local colour, let's put that in. Doesn't matter if I mix a bit of blue with it, doesn't matter at all. Now I'd say the face of it, that would be the face of it, I would say, because it's very, very bright. I'm not going to knock the yellow back because once it's painted and it dries, it really goes back a bit. So let's do the highlight. A bit more. That'll do. At the top of it, just a bit of that. We're going to do some, which needs a bit of burnt umber this time, an ultramarine blue. Yeah, that's just gone way too far. That is. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, too much. It's a bit greenish, but that's fine for the first layer. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, and then the next part, I'm going to paint it. Thank you for watching. Please go to lesson 5, part 4.